Ultra-compact aluminum folding table ideal for camping and outdoor cookouts. Aluminum slat top and strong steel frame offer ample support and surface area. Snap-together design assembles and folds up with ease. Fits into an included lightweight carrying bag for easy carrying and storage. Offers enough seating room for 4 people. Top reviews from the United States. Nice, lightweight table. I have the wooden top version of this. It got too close to the fire and melted on of the hinges, so I was looking for another one and found this. I've had this version of the table for a couple of camping trips now, and I've used it. Although different, it is just as sturdy as the former version, and the metal versus wood top doesn't stain and wipes clean easily. This one is also much lighter than the previous version. Since it is much lighter than my old table, I decided to test the strength of it. I pulled the table out of the trailer and set it up on a level surface. AKA garage. I placed 4 to 25-pound plates on the table, one at a time to each corner, observing for bow in the legs and stress to the joints after each application. I observed no bow to the legs at any time. The joints held nicely and did not crack under pressure. After the 4th plate was placed, I pushed the table slightly from side to side. The table remained upright and intact, and did not seem to want to collapse. This seems to be due to the fact that when set up properly, the legs are not 100% vertical, but point outward, slightly adding stability. This test was extreme, especially since we use it to play cards on, and as a table for food when preparing meals on the trailer's external barbecue or on the fire. However, now I can definitely guarantee that it will safely hold 100 pounds evenly distributed. I'll feel safe if I have my water jug on it or even my kids' extensive rock collection that inevitably happens while camping, and am without fear of it collapsing and causing severe injury to anyone.